Hey art family, just a simple video for you today including one of my absolute favorite hacks for improving your art, your skills, and your time spent on the craft. And that is art prompts. That's right, just go to artprompts.org or your favorite generator site and gather some prompts to work from, preferably after studying or working on your fundamentals/drawing exercises for the day. This will give your imagination the juice it needs to fuel more work, more interesting work, and thus more growth. Sometimes ideas just aren't there, but the willpower you have is thriving. That's when a prompt can easily just really give you that structure to work, give you just enough structure to make some marks on the page. If I say, draw something blue, that's probably too vague. If I say, draw me a barbarian with huge braids, you're likely to start conjuring up some ideas. Those ideas are deeply important to your artistic process. As I mentioned, it's important to work on your lines, your values, your anatomy, etc., just like it's important to show some love to the like button so I can keep spending time creating content for you. But anyway, without a place to apply those things that you're working on, you're essentially just building skill for the sake of it. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it's definitely suboptimal. And we like optimization, don't we? I can virtually guarantee that a lot of your best drawings are going to come as a result of having a clear and focused idea to work with. Doesn't mean to finish every single prompt by pouring 10 hours into it though. But the chances are that if you sketch enough of those prompts, a drawing will emerge that begs you to take it to the next level. That's what you see me doing here, taking this barbarian with huge braids and working on the second iteration of the drawing. I go into so much more detail in my beginner drawing course about this process, as well as many of the anatomical breakdowns in my Simple Anatomy for Artists course. The key takeaway here is that this simple art hack will prove invaluable for you on your learning journey. For some reason, it's so much easier with a little direction than it is with no direction at all. I just wanted you to see the best things aren't the most complicated, but merely the ones that are often overlooked. So as you continue your drawing journey, be sure to take the time to spend a few hours a week drawing based off prompts. That's my art hack of the week for you. Again, feel free to check out thebeginnerdrawingcourse.com, link in the description for more. Subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you don't miss more art videos to help ensure you keep learning, keep growing, and keep making progress. Happy drawing.